Let's see how it's gonna be. Let's see how it's gonna be. We're here at what's this place called again? Yeah, Railway Museum. This place is quite a distance from the gate, but look at all this cool graffiti. Impressed. We still haven't arrived. We're looking for a picture spot, but we can already see the old trains. So the first office is where we left our IDs, but the ticket we get where we are heading to right now. So this is the outside of the reception. Yeah. This is the inside. They have a little museum situation and the making of railways. The receipt is here. So let's go. Oh. Tell us what? Our first train. And there are the guys doing graffiti on the wall. So cool. First train built for Tanganyika Railways in 1923 and used between Dar es Salaam and Bogoro. Blah blah blah. So the old trains, I don't think we can access the old trains like the current one. So it's just the guys taking photos over here. Yeah, this is so cool. Irene! So, and see what we see inside. It's quite awesome to get inside. So the first greeting I get is a toilet. Then the old cabin. Eddie, you should take a picture here.
Yeah.
It looks so good on video. We're just going around the trains, taking pictures. I'm about to do photography service. 2,000 per hour, even 2,000 per hour. Okay, you already look so cool. I can't wait to take this picture. Sheesh. This museum is just basically old trains, and yeah, it's really photo-esque, picturesque rather. You can take lots and lots of pictures here. It's really, really cool. I'll definitely be coming here for a photo shoot, that's for sure. What's this? is the old telephone.
I know when the hotline ring. It could be Patel or Singh.
And this is the old bell that they use.
Hotline ring. Hotline ring.
So cool. So we're just finishing up. So guys, that is just all for today. I know it's a little bits and pieces, but we did do that much, and we're gonna come back. Yeah, so let me take a video of Irene here before we close off, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye. It's a wrap.